I love you. I love her. I love me? No. When you are the subject and you are the object, you need to use myself. I love myself. And this is called a reflexive pronoun. You can say, I love myself, she loves herself, he loves himself. And that's the main way that we use the word myself as a reflexive pronoun. However, there are also some other ways that we use myself. And I'm not going to talk about all of them in this video because that would be a very long and complicated video. Today, what I want to do is just show you the main way that we use it as a reflexive pronoun, one or two other ways, and some expressions that have the word myself in them. So again, myself can be a reflexive pronoun. That means that you are the subject and you are the object. For example, I hit myself. I pinched myself. I taught myself how to speak Thai. So yeah, that's the main way that we use myself. We can also say to do something myself. That means that I will do it. I don't need another person to do it. So if someone says, hey, let me do that for you, you can reply, oh, no thanks, I'll do it myself. It basically means, I don't want you to do it. I will do it. And you've probably also heard, I'll do it by myself. This one basically means, I'll do it alone. I don't need you to help me. So to do something yourself really means that you want to do it instead of another person doing it. But doing something by yourself means that you want to do it alone. And sometimes we use myself as an intensifier. What this means is that we use it to make something stronger. Some people like to do cardio for exercise, but I myself prefer to lift weights. The word myself in that example doesn't really mean anything, it just makes the I stronger. It shows that I'm really focusing on my actions, not on other people's actions. Then let's quickly look at some expressions with myself. You might hear someone say, I haven't been myself recently, or I haven't been myself lately. First, lately and recently are basically the same. But this expression, I haven't been myself, this means that I haven't been behaving the way that I usually behave, or I haven't been feeling the way that I usually feel. Maybe you have been sick, or depressed, or upset about something. And we have the question, do I make myself clear? This is a very serious sounding way to ask someone if they understand what you have told them. You might use this with your children when they've done something very bad and you want them to understand that this is a serious situation and you don't want them to do it again. We have the statement, I'm not going to repeat myself. I'm not going to repeat myself means I don't want to say this again. I want this to be the last time that I tell you this. And the last one for today is, I can't bring myself to do something. This basically means you know that you should do it, but you know that it's going to be uncomfortable. It might be difficult for you to do, or it might hurt the other person. For example, I can't bring myself to tell him the truth. I know that I should tell him the truth, but I know that he's going to be really sad, and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, there are other ways to use myself, but these are just the ones that I wanted to start with today. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.